I can't wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you till then. I've been running from it, tired of running.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I hope you just saw the new intro. This is my cousin Tyron, and this is her daughter Lola. Lola.
Say hi to our vlog.
Say hi. Right now it's in. You might. Yeah. It's already up there. I make the videos up here, and then I go to an app and edit them, and then I send them to Khalees. So that's why it's in my camera right now.
No. Hey vlog. I thought we were on the.
Oh, hey rats! Sorry, we were supposed to say that. Yeah, it's hard to remember that stuff, you know. Simple stuff.
I don't want to say hey, okay? Now get the camera away from me. But I act crazy and you won't like it. It's not pretty.
Honestly, he's a
He's
handful when we're like, he really is, honestly.
Don't say nothing dirty. Do not.
Are you in your bra? No. Jada.
Move.
Jada. 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 What is wrong with... Did you just throw the dog?
This girl just peed on me. Yeah, get new pants. Y'all have any new pants?
Princess. The dog just peed all over him. Oh my gosh, come here. Let me show the vlog, KJ.
Oh my God.
KJ, come here.
No,
Show them what she did. Princess!
Rudy?
That is not nice. Princess, you're not supposed to do that. That's not nice. That's not...
Mary?
You better be listening. That's not nice. Honestly, I don't think today is going to be the best day because go change your pants.
Who gonna give them to me?
You don't have no pants?
No.
Well, then I guess you're going to have to stay in those. Today is not going to be the best day because it's about to rain, even though it's pretty sunny.
No, it's still gonna smell like pee. Princess, I should beat you for that.
Don't hit her.
I will.
Don't.
Don't.
If you hit her, I'm going to knock you upside your head.
Okay, then I'm gonna tell your mom.
Okay, Ann.
Okay, button on.
My mom not going to say nothing.
She will.
No, she won't.
She will.
No, she won't.
She will.
You're not hitting Lola Dog.
I will.
You're not.
I'm gonna beat you up, KJ. Lola, you was weak.
That's right, Lola. Beat him up.
Lola, you was weak. I can beat you up quick.
Hold your head down.
I will pull your brace off.
Man, I can.
See that?
Lola, you have to pay attention. You have to put your head down, okay? Just like that, okay?
I can still see Princess in the dog.
Okay, good.
Those are box braids?
Not this free.
Outless box braids. Well, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. Also, about the intro, what was I about to say? Usually, I wasn't planning on getting an intro, and I wasn't planning on using that song. That song wasn't even in, like, the list of songs I would probably do. It was a random song that had a really nice beat to it, so I decided to put it in there. So yeah. The other one was a different song. If you guys know this person, he's not really on the radio or anything, even though he has pretty good songs. I don't know if that's him singing or anything, but I get the one I was going to do was by DJ Quad's "Missing Someone," and it was aesthetic. It was an I have a list. It was an aesthetic song, so it's like one of those songs that was supposed to be kind of cute, but with a good beat. That's all I'm gonna say. Also, my auntie is coming down, which means she said she was gonna do a video with me, so that's good. Princess, do you have anything to say about this? Ma'am, do you have anything to say? Nothing? Jerry, do you have anything to say? Come here. Come here, Jerry. Jerry. Do you have anything to say about this? Ow! His nails are so sharp. Ow! I'm gonna cut your nails off. This is what I get for doing that. A scratchy thigh. I bet you guys can hear KJ yelling at my sister in the background. Well, I have nothing to say about that. KJ is just KJ and Khalees is just Khalees.
Don't touch me.
Give the remote.
No, I'm not going to try to work today, please. No, I'm off.
Are you sure that's pee, KJ?
Yes, it
Put
is.
some of your hand sanitizer.
No.
Because KJ touched me. I don't know what it is.
No, I didn't.
Stop. Pick that pillow. Oh, it was peeled up. Pick the pillow up.
Are you sure? Cause like Princess isn't dripping or nothing.
Christina, can you hand me some hand sanitizer, please, before I...
She was the first.
Okay, so I don't even know if Princess did pee on KJ because like she would have been dripping. Cause usually like dogs don't wipe, so having a hard time understanding how the dog would have peed on KJ.
No, just give me the whole spray.
And the KJ and
KJ just touched me. Stop, KJ. If I tell your mama.
Give the remote back to Jaden.
No.
Now.
this is what I have to deal with every day, almost every day.
Just hand sanitizer.
Stop.
Christina, stop.
You spraying them on my pants?
To clean them, dummy.
Yeah.
You want them to smell like pee all day?
No, just keep spraying them.
Excuse me.
Nasty soul.
Y'all shut
That, on my pants. That's better. But my shirt's still wet.
Usually it's not even Princess who does that kind of stuff, so still having a hard time understanding.
Princess not trained yet.
I mean, like usually she don't pee inside unless she got really excited. And usually whenever she's sitting down on someone's lap, she doesn't get excited. So it's either something else. This is a mystery, Princess, that we have to solve.
Maybe Princess licked on you and put a little spit on.
But there's a lot out there. And where are Woody and Jerry?
Huh?
Where are Woody and Jerry?
They went to the store.
Like,
No wonder.
No wonder where they are. They might be lost the whole day.
Don't mind the pimple. I have many of them, especially right here.
That's why you can put lipstick on.
Aren't I charming? No. Well, I guess I'll see you when they get back. Oh, also, I forgot to shout out the people. I don't know who you are, but wanted to shout out the people who actually did watch the video. Thank you so much. It means a lot because, like, honestly, our video looks kind of pathetic. But you took a chance on it, so thank you. And we love you. Peace. I'll see you when they get here. Update on Lola's hair. Lola.
Don't look like my shoes.
I want my first time right on the page. Huh?
Mommy, why you gotta do me?
Turn
Why
around,
you-
Lola. I want to show them your hair.
Moses over it.
This is how her hair look in the back. Turn back around. She's about finishing the back, and now her mom.
Okay, Lola.
After that, her mom is gonna do the top.
What you gonna keep
It
it
ain't gonna be that
on?
long though. I'm gonna do the same thing. Keep it on. She just taking a break. Turn around. I'm probably gonna cut move.
And Raven is here.
Probably gonna cut it to about right here.
Oh, this is a vlog. I have to do it on here, and then I have to post it on YouTube.
Turn around, Lola. Turn around. I said I'm probably gonna cut it to about right here. He's done.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Since you won't let me watch the regular.
Oh, my girl will be so cute with braids. I can't wait to see your end results.
Ouch!
girl.
Ouch!
Okay, I
Ouch!
will hold your hand.
Ouch!
I can't
Ouch!
wait to see your end
Ouch!
results.
Ouch! What is on your nails? Oh.
I never watched it in a while. No, I watched
Make sure your
it.
mama get your baby
I'm
edges.
gonna
and
watch
sweet,
it
okay?
regular.
Swoop.
Gotta say, Mama, Brady said, sweet my baby edges.
Mommy, mommy.
Just you don't have to watch it. I'ma watch it.
He wanted to watch this?
No. This movie is dumb.
It's not a movie. It's a series.
I mean this show, not this one.
Ew.
Bye, mommy. After then go off, we can watch Home.
Lola, you want to show them your squishy?
I promise.
You want to show them your squishy?
Lola gonna be so cute with her braids.
You want to show them your squishy, Lola? That's Lola's squishy.
Christina got a chocolate one.
Yeah, I have a chocolate one. I like them because they're really cute. But can I say it real quick? But the problem is, I don't like the color. Because, you see, this is not like a donut color. This is plain yellow.
And you want mommy to curl the ends?
That's plain yellow. So I'm going to paint
Bye,
it.
mama.
I'm going to paint mine.
Bye.
But Lola's probably going to keep hers because she likes it. Can we not watch it? Lola is here.
Lola, are you scared of it?
Yes!
She's not supposed to watch that.
You know that, bro?
No.
Here, how about this?
I'm scared
We
of
can
it.
put on Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
It's the only
Scooby,
scare.
Scooby, Scooby.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I'm sorry, but I have been watching Scooby-Doo since I came out of the womb. It's a thing now. Scooby-Doo is our thing now.
Shrek is dumb. Is SpongeBob is
We're not watching SpongeBob. SpongeBob, no. SpongeBob is dead to me.
yeah, SpongeBob is kind of stupid.
Right?
What is
I
in?
want to watch Scooby-Doo. Where are you?
I don't know if those are good. I want to see if there's any movies that are free. Oh my gosh, this one is free.
Buy a rent. Buy a rent. Buy a rent. Rent and buy. Free.
Wait, that is free?
Yes.
Wait, hold on. I want to see it. Oh, you know what? You should watch this one. This one is good.
Oh,
Rent or buy? What?
Rent or
Not no rent or buy.
what about Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, Horse Ride, something?
You want to watch? What?
You have to buy and rent it.
Why are they taking some of the stuff that? Wait, let's see.
I don't want to watch that. That is on Netflix.
Okay, I'm trying to see
Well,
something.
you're not watching
Yeah.
If it's free. Oh, dang it! It was
it. But
supposed
you're
to
not
be free.
watching it.
No, we're not watching that because you're not supposed to watch.
Scooby-Doo and the Alien.
No.
So you have to buy it.
The best one, I think,
Is Scooby-Doo and the Goblin King.
like almost all of these you have to buy.
I don't want to watch Scooby-Doo.
I mean, like Lola, it's the only scary thing you can watch, honestly.
Yes.
It's a little bit scary, that's it.
Yeah, it's a little bit scary, but it's just a cartoon.
I don't want to watch Scooby-Doo.
And this is the only free, basically this is the only free one I see. Well, that's all I got, so.
Scooby-Doo and Shaggy Shadow.
Lola,
Shadows.
you ready for mommy to finish?
What?
Shadow window. I don't know what it's
Are
called.
you gonna
but
let me finish?
it's right there. Scooby-Doo and Shadow.
There's
On the
only a
horse
tiny
ride.
piece.
Remember? Is it free?
No.
It's not free.
Told you about all of these. Have to
What
buy.
about Scoob? What about Scoob?
I'm pretty sure that one you have to buy.
You gotta buy that.
But Scoob,
Mama, Mommy
I'm
got
ready to
TV
see that.
Oh, well, I already watched it.
You watched Scoob?
Yep.
You watched the new Scooby-Doo.
Yes.
When Scooby-Doo was little,
Yep.
right there.
Yep. Yes, I did. How are you gonna tell me what I did and did not watch?
Okay. I guess we could watch Scooby-Doo and the Zombie Island. That one sucked. That one sucked, but we gonna have to watch it.
Wait, let me see if there's some other
You
ones.
wanna watch TV in there?
You have to buy them right now.
Come on, Kristen, we better watch TV in there. Come on, Lola. Come on. Come on, then I'm order the pizza. Come on.
All of us?
Come on, Lola.
Yeah, for all of us.
Come on.
Wait, is Jada gone?
Oh,
Because
let's
Jada
see.
always be here by herself.
We all gotta go?
No, not right now. I'm about to plug in these in here. Come on, Lola.
Can I watch my It?
We're not watching it.
just said it was stupid.
Fine, it is stupid. I only like It Chapter 2. Because the regular It is stupid. It's stupid.
I'm looking for some ones that are like maybe this way.
Daphne and Velma.
That was free.
It was free.
Yeah.
So honestly, I'm
No, Daphne and Thingy. What? I just saw something about other thing.
Daphne and Velma.
I've always wanted to watch it. It has Sarah Jeffrey in it. Dang.
Please don't start that.
Where? Oh wait.
Oh, Scooby-Doo meets Batman. We got the Lego Scooby-Doo. We got Scooby-Doo.
Almost all of these you have to pay for.
Oh my gosh, this is. Oh, what about Scooby-Doo and the Galactic Railroad? You better stop, Jada. You gonna see what happens. Ow. Ow.
Nope.
Body and Ridge. Why are these Scooby-Doos not free?
Cause you gotta pay for the good movies.
Good movies is good.
The free movies is the one that's not the best.
And Scooby-Doo is the best. The only one, oh, Scooby-Doo and the Phantom.
Club.
It's right
I
over
saw
there.
that. I like that one.
I like that one too.
I think that was the only one I saw.
Oh my
I
god.
think that was the only Scooby Doo I saw.
Yeah, I like that Scooby-Doo. It's just
Why the frick?
like you have to buy all these Scooby-Doo.
Nobody feel like
Oh,
buying.
wait. Go to Scooby-Doo and the Monster of Mexico.
You have to buy it.
Oh my gosh, why all these Scooby-Doo?
Did you not just hear what she said?
Oh, Pluto.
I am so retarded. I know.
You are retarded.
Yeah, I am. Actually, I'm really.
I'm so mad because I love my Scooby-Doo, man.
What about Scooby-Doo? Where are you?
I mean, like, I can try the TV shows. TV shows!
What about Scooby-Doo and the no.
I'll come back to you when we make a decision.
Can you put on Scooby-Doo? Where are you?
Yes. This is the finished product of Lola's hair.
Stop moving out, mommy. Turn around.
I know. So,
My baby got you not listening.
also,
It didn't
please
take her long
turn
because when I got over here, she was just starting.
Like it?
Hey, brats. It's Khalees and Christina, or Christina and Khalees.
It's Christina.
And Christina and Khalees.
We're about to leave and go home, so we're gonna go ahead and edit.
It hurt?
We're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So I hope you guys please turn on those notifications and subscribe, like, share this with your friends, all of that.
Let's
good
get
stuff.
our subscribers to.
Lola,
At least 5, and we'll do a shout out. If we get
Lola.
Can you please
Just be showing me. Get us to at least 5 subscribers, you know.
And we will do a shout out if you do that.
And we'll do a, if you get us to 5.
A
So
what?
the viewers will know.
Okay.
All right, bye, Brett.
Bye.